Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today we're going to have a play it by ear lesson for the song Bring It On Home to Me by Sam Cooke. I haven't listened to it. I might know it, I might not, but I'll walk you through how I go about figuring out a song by ear. This is kind of my learning methodology as well as my teaching methodology. If you have any interest in learning how to play accordion like I am now, head on over to accordionlove.com. There are lots of song examples, there are lots of sheet music and lessons. There's a free 3-day trial as well. So with that out of the way, let's learn Bring It On Home to Me by Sam Cooke. We're in C major. So playing along, what I hear, ba, boo, ba, 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 it sounds very bluesy. I don't know if I know the song. Let's listen to that intro again. Classic blues. Do da da C major. So I was playing along so quickly, let's call that quickly, because we were given a chord, C major, that I matched by hearing what I heard, playing what I heard, based off that C major and what the piano was doing, that bluesy thing. We can assume with confidence that in addition to the C chord, the chords that are right next to it will be in that chord pattern in that song. The F major and the G major will play dominant roles. C major is the heart of the song. Do da 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 da. I'm playing a C major in my right hand. I know the song's gonna go to a 4. And I know the song's going to go to the 5. And I'm going to play the G7 because it's blues. And let's see how Sam Cooke or Sam Cooke's band plays with those chords. This is, I guess, just the intro. C major, G major, F, G, C. F, C to the G. Now, listen. F, a G, 7, F, C, G, F, G, C. I have heard this song. Good. I'm assuming the song keeps going in a similar way. There might be a bridge somewhere. I'll fast forward to see if there's a bridge. What do we do with a song? Again, because this is a blues song, and I think we can assume that lots of Sam Cooke's music will be similar in that it's a blues structure, that 1-4-5. I have a whole unit on Accordion Love on how to play the blues. There are different bass patterns we can do. There are also the blues scale, right? And I bet you that the lyrics, the voice, the melody of the song will be a blues pattern. We hear it in the yeah, do. Right? It's that blues feeling. So to the person that sent me this request, I guess my question to you is, do you want to sing along to this song? I think that would be the most powerful way of performing this song and give you the most versatility. If you have a backing band, wonderful. If it's just backing with the accordion, check out my unit on Accordion Love on accompanying voice and playing rhythm under that, because it's going to be... That's what I would do. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not a singer. Da 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 da. That's how I would accompany voice. If you're gonna sing, if you're gonna play melody instead of singing, it's gonna be a little bit harder. You're gonna have to come up with a rhythm. And over that, instead of singing, you're gonna have to... I forget how the song goes already, but that's how I would approach the song. Let me just fast forward to see if there's a middle, a bridge. Fast forwarding. That's the whole song. Cool, beautiful, sweet, quick song. Yeah, I hope that helps you. I hope that helps you approach the song and shows you how to learn the song as a whole. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Check out accordionlove.com. Thank you.